Open my second drawing if you haven't done so, and switch into your letter layout. Quite often in industry, they do not send the original AutoCAD drawing file to others to look at. Instead, they usually send a PDF file. Portable Document Format, PDF, is a file format used to present documents in a manner independent of the application, software, hardware, or an operating system. With a PDF, you could magnify, print, and even turn layers on and off. First thing we're going to do is make a copy of our letter layout. Right-click, move our copy, create a copy, press OK. What this does is make an exact duplicate. Let's just click on it, and you can see everything's laid out for us. The viewport, title blocks filled in. What we want to do now is change the name of it. Right-click, rename, and change this one to PDF. Change the page set manager. Notice it's on PDF now. Modify. And we want to change the printer plotter name. If you scroll down, you'll see one that says DWG to PDF, Drawing to PDF. Pick on that. When you select on a Drawing to PDF, and then you click on your paper size, you'll see that you have quite a range of paper sizes that you can select. In our case, we want to keep it on our letter size. Without selecting anything, press Escape, and right now we've got it on ANSI Expanded A, which is our letter size. Keep everything else the same, layout, scale, monochrome. But before we exit the page setup, we should check our preview. Notice that it has shifted and part of the edge is cut off. This is because the border for a PDF with that setup is different than our printer or plotter. Close the preview window, and we need to make an adjustment to the paper size. Scroll up, and you'll see a setting that says Full Bleed. Full Bleed makes use of the entire paper for the PDF. Pick on it. Now look at our preview, and you can see it's on the page again. Notice that one edge is closer than the other edge. Closer, farther. Close that. To make an adjustment, we go down to Plot Offset. It depends on what your paper size and what your offset will be, but in our case, we're going to set 0.20 and 0.20. Let's preview it. And in our case, it looks pretty close to center. Close. All our settings are set up. Press OK to save the page setup. Close. Before we plot our drawing, let's do a zoom extents to make sure everything is the way it should be. Let's save our drawing and then go up to Plot. Always do a quick preview before you do your final plot. Everything looks good. Click Plot. And now it comes up for where to save the PDF. So let's go into our AutoCAD train, and you can see that it assigns the name of the file, -PDF, which is the name of our layout, and then the extension PDF. At this point, you could change the name of the PDF to whatever you want. We're going to leave it as is. We're going to press Save. If you had Adobe Reader on your computer, the PDF will automatically be displayed. And as you can see, we have layers as well as the paper. So if we wanted to, we could turn off the dimension layer, and you can see it disappeared. So let's close our reader, save our drawing. It's time to review the advanced plotting steps. I would suggest journaling in point form the additional plotting settings such as paper size, effect on world units, viewport scale, locking active viewports, and DWG to PDF so that you can help commit them to memory.